What's up, my boys? Yo, what's up? What's up, Albert? Welcome, bro. So, okay, looks like work, I hope. Tell me if some issues with streams, my boys. One second, guys. I thought the stream locked, but since you put the music after then, it made sense. So, alright with the streams, I hope. Right? Or not? I hope yes. So, my boys, let's go doing things. So what we did before, let's check that. Okay, let's start the game and see what we have here. Rates. Oh, I can't buy even one. Okay, max. Okay, sell. Buy more. We need somehow to make the frame, which make it possible to press that. Roblox Studio. Not remove, okay. And press maybe. Okay, let's check one thing I want to see. I don't like we can press behind buttons when we open this little frame. Maybe I would like to make frame like this one. Okay, viewer we need, go to create, and here model window, buy more. Let's make it visible, and also let's add maybe frame here inside, size, or maybe not here even. Size 1. Okay, I wanna check if it cover the whole screen or not. I'm interested. Or maybe we need just to play that like sort of frame, or here even, right? Where is it? Position maybe? Oh yeah, position is bad. 0. Okay. The index -10. 0 maybe. 1. Okay, maybe we can make this frame up, background, color to black, transparency to 0.5 I think, and we need to increase the z index of this frame, of course. So let's increase that z index 5. Okay, that's good. So we can put this 4, I think, right? Oh, wait, 5. Wait. -1. Oh yeah, it works not like so. I've got it. What's the problem with that? So okay, I wanna check. Maybe we need to create one new screen GUI. I don't know. Let's check that. So z index like 10 or 1000, for example. Okay. I can press buttons. Frame, cover, maybe background buttons. Oh, not clickable, yeah, like this one. Let's check that. Active, to make active buttons, this is really like a lot of things I need to deactivate. Like Maybe we have some parameters, I don't know, about this. Frame, core background buttons. Just put a button inside of the frame and make transparency 1. Okay. Let's try that. Maybe not a frame really, maybe we need a button inside here. Button size 1. Transparency 1. Maybe even not 1. Maybe we can do like black and semi-transparent. Like so. Hi, hello, welcome. The index. Like 3. Wait. Yeah. Maybe not. Maybe transparency should be 1. Okay, let's try. Very low Z index we need to put. Z index minus 1000. You look good at making games. Can I see what you have done so far? This version I can't show you because this is only lobby. I reworked now and there is almost nothing to show, only animations like shop. But there is a 4 minutes video in pinned message in the chat. You can watch what this game about and what's the progress in 30 days. Of course, this is not 30 days for now, but at least you can see what the game is. But soon, in further streams, we'll play test together on streams with the guys who on the stream. So, do you think I could pay Robux to help me make a game? No, bro, no. I'm not working on someone. I'm working only on my projects and only on myself. You better really to find someone else for that, because I am working only on my projects. If you find developers, I recommend you Roblox developer forum Discord. Oh, not Roblox developer forum. Roblox developer, like official Roblox is Discord, like Roblox developers or something like so. So it's not hard to find that, and there is a lot of people who are ready to help you, bro. There's a lot of people you can hire. It's better to find them than in Roblox. I found some job here, so maybe definitely you'll find some good scripters here. But be careful, bro, be careful. There's also a lot of scammers sometimes, so you need to really be careful about them. Thanks, no problem, bro, no problem. Hope it helps you, bro. How did you learn the beginning? Hi, hello. Hello guys, welcome. How did you learn in the beginning? In the beginning I just started to make my first game. 1 second, guys. So, sorry guys. At the beginning I just started making my first game. That was just like experiment for me. I even can't imagine that I'll be a Roblox developer. By the way guys, I have a video. About my first experience and how I started. Because I'm total noob here, and maybe it will be interesting for some of you how I started my career, or how it's called. So there's a video. 1 second. Here's a video how I made my first project. I'm absolutely noob here. I don't understand how to code. I never programmed anything in my life, and really. But after this video, I realized that I wanna make Roblox games. This video re-uploaded from my other channel, so that's why it looks like not the first video on my channel. But maybe some of you it will be interesting how I started. But my main point, how to do it more effectively, as I think, this is just you need. This is my way how I grow myself much more. This is just find something only depend on your tasks. You need to make sprint for your player. Bro, you don't need to find a lot of stuff. You find tutorial how to make sprint for your player. That's all. This is the best way. How to learn that, I think. Because guys, you forget like 90% of all knowledge you get anywhere. I believe in that, because I felt that. And really, most effective way, in my opinion, this is only create a game. Yeah, of course guys, at the beginning you'll be copy just tutorial line by line, and that's okay. We all started with that usually, and later guys, you face some problems, you'll try to fix those problems, and it'll give you more experience, like fixing bugs, because you forget somewhere variable, you forget somewhere folder, you forget somewhere put a dot, anything. Anyway, so and one more thing, if you watch tutorials, I don't recommend you to copy the code, like copy and paste. I recommend you to rewrite the code, and probably this is one reason, I think, I'm not sure of course, maybe this is one reason why a lot of tutorials makers maybe not give you the whole code. I'm not sure, of course, this is only my point when I made some tutorials, because guys, you definitely, when you copy and paste code, you don't do work, and you don't make mistakes. If you rewrite the code, you definitely forget something. This is always like so, if you don't understand how this works. And okay, why my code, why the code in the video of for this guy that's work, and for me that doesn't work, and you find that. So that's the way how I started, learning all of that and doing first steps, and it really helps me a lot. So that's it. Hello, welcome. Why do you need a new PC? Because bro, my PC a little old, that's why. Recommend you to basement. Yes. Yes bro, yes. So okay, yeah, let's change maybe okay, if it's up, I can't press that. What about this? visible to false, and we need self. I think we need to call our background. Okay, let's remove that text, by the way, here. Text. Text, visible to false. Okay, so we need to call this background. We have buttons, self GUI creates. What is self GUI? Viewer controller, yeah. Self GUI. Okay, let's just for testing, let's put it not here, and let's put inside our crates, because maybe it doesn't work and we just spend time for that. Buy more, visible to true, transparency to 0.5. Size, like, I don't know, like 4, like this one. The index. Okay, not here. Need to put it here. Yeah, right. Nice progress, by the way. Thank you, bro. So, okay, let's make this the index like 10. I don't know, and this will be like 9. Okay, what's the index of these buttons? I'm very interested. What the hell is that? Why they up here? Crates, buttons, -2. Okay. Okay, -2. Oh yeah, I've got it. So we need to put it here in crates. Yes, to cover all of that properly. And now oh no, anyway, wait. Okay, like so, for example. And let's make this background visible only when we open this pop-up window. So we need to call that self GUI creates pop-up by more, for example. Let's do that. Self GUI creates backg.visible equals to true. Yeah, like so. Let's go. Buy more. Okay. Inventory frame viewer create. Oh yeah, my bad. Self GUI creates model window, maybe. Yeah, like so. Should be okay. Okay, and we can't press these buttons. That's good, because really it's annoying. Make it invisible. Okay, these buttons we can press, unfortunately. Okay. Okay, so visible. It will be visible. Wait, I think guys, we don't need to put buy more, sell more here. I'm pretty sure about that. We don't need really to do that here. We can just move it and put in frame pop up. Hey, what's up, bro? Welcome. This is viewer, and maybe even, guys, even we don't need to put it here. We just can put it inside the inventory frame, for example. Inventory frame, size, we put to 1. Yeah, that's enough, I think. Yeah, that's enough. How is the game going? Good, bro, good, thank you. Transparency 1, and let's put inside the instead of viewer all these things inside this. And transparency, okay, size, let's do size 1, position 0, but its size should be 1. What the hell? Oh yeah, all right. What's that? I'm not sure. Oh yeah, this is the same. I played the beta version and I can't stop doing it. What is beta version of this game, bro? There is no beta version, like alpha probably version. So okay, pop-up window, the index should be very big, like so. Yeah, it should cover all of that, so we can't press that. Yeah, that this is alpha version, bro. This is not a beta version. Beta version will be after release, because beta, this is a pretty this is released game usually, like where a lot of stuff we already did. 1 second, guys, I'm still a little sick, a little honey. I don't know about this sickness. This is absolutely annoying thing, really. Like, it's almost over and it starts again. What the hell? What the hell, really? Okay. So transparency equals to 1, and that's it. So we need to call yeah, pop up, we need to put self GUI. Yeah, to be sick is really bad, like I hate coughing. Yeah, I coughing a lot, bro. I coughing a lot. I try to cure it like everything I can do, like pills, like okay, no matter, a lot of stuff I do, but anyway, it's still there. Hi, hello, welcome. What's up? So really, because coughing really annoying. So guys, by the way, what I'm thinking about, let's do next Friday stream where we see your games, and maybe I give you some feedback about your game. Not like okay, maybe some tips, like my opinion like a developer, and also of course very important, maybe for some of you will be my opinion like a player. So guys, I think next Friday we can do that, and we play your game on live streams, and I give you some feedback, maybe like some tips, I don't know if you want that. So I think it will be good idea, my boys. What kind of what kind of game do you make? This is like hide and seek, but with random abilities for survivors each level. Here's 4 minutes video in pinned message in the chat. If you want, you can watch about this game I explained here in 4 minutes. So okay, let's do next Friday. Let me announce that in Discord. Really cool. Gonna sub. Thank you very much, my friend. So guys, next Friday will be live where we play your games. I sub. Thank you very much, bro. Welcome to the basement. Yeah, bro. So 1 second, guys. So, okay, next Friday I play your games on the live stream. So, guys, if you want, you can share your game next Friday. So prepare your games. Okay, my boys. Okay, my boys. So self GUI. We need some. I want to check what is self GUI. I know what is self GUI. Okay, what's self? Print self. Oh wait, yeah, I forget. I need to turn it off. This frame pop up, visible to false, right? Create sphere. Okay, let's see if we have maybe UI viewer. Okay. Okay, let's okay, self. Okay, pop up bg equals to, okay, this will be a variable, of course, my boys. Okay, let's make self.gui.parent. This we go to here and pop up dot bg dot visible equals to true. Let's try that. So now we can select all of that and press that. When we select buy more, we can't press that. Yes, my boys, finally. But we can press that, for example. Oh, we can't press even that. Okay, that's a problem. It's cover. Let's check the index. What the hell is that? 1, 2. One, maybe like so. So we should. Why I can't press that? What the hell? Profound, I got an idea. What if you add guns or something similar to the players to shoot the monster and heal him down? And you can buy bullets and better guns if you want to. Bro, there is a problem with registering hits from guns. Like, probably this game is not. I'm not ready to implement the guns here, because yeah, next game or maybe some other future games I wanna make shooters but there is a lot of problems. This is not so easy to implement guns, at least for me. Like the problem, really the big problem, because different players has different ping, and really pretty hard to. Oh yeah, I know what's the problem here. And really very difficult to shot someone. Like one guy has 10 ping, the second guy has 200 ping, and one guy shoot to other guy, and you missed because you have different ping. That's the problem. I think I have some concepts how we can fix that, but really I think it's a very big task to implement that in this certain game. I think really pop-up frame will be, and it takes for me a lot of time if I implement this stuff like guns inside. That's why I don't want to do that. Okay, pop up, we need to replace. Okay, pop up frame by more, like so, I think. Visible, pop-up frame by more. What the hell? Pop frame by more. Print pop-up. Type of instance. That's cool. That's cool. Okay, Roblox Studio. Type of get type. Type of passing an instance into type will return user data. Return instance. Hello Profound, hello Itmera, welcome bro. Okay, get variable type, maybe. By the way, I never did that, like get the variable. Use the instances class name. Property to find that. Maybe just type, really. User data. Type. Can use built-in functions, type and type off. Type. Get object class maybe. Oh, class name we have. What the hell, really? Let's do that. I'm not sure about this, but let's try. Okay, let's do. Grades by more. Oh, what the hell, really, guys? Nice. We can do class name. That's great. That's cool, that's cool. Never heard about that, but now I know. So, for example, you wanna check what is pop-up. For example, I'm not sure it's image label. Maybe I change something and pop-up class name. It returns this is image label for me. Good, amazing, amazing, my boys. So, what's the problem with the pop-up by more? Let's do. Why it's not visible? Let's make it visible here. Oh, yeah. Maybe the index. Wait. Maybe visible this one. This visible, okay. This somewhere like maybe the index here. Oh, I know, guys. I know. Position, of course. Position. Like 0. 0. Let's do that. Okay. Yes, I've got it. What's the problem? I've got it. Maybe like this. Size. Let's copy, put here, and position also. Position put from by more. Position here, position here. Let's go. Yeah, we just because we just move it from different frame. It looks like so. So let's go here. Let's go here. All works. But of course we need to turn on our background button because I turned it off before that. Let's try now. So I wanna use these buttons. This doesn't work. Said hi, hello, welcome. So I can't press these buttons because it's blocked, but this one I can. Nice. So bye. Okay, why these? Oh yeah, I know, guys. Because I connect incorrect buttons. I know how we can do that easier, I think. Yeah, we just need to connect these buttons here. Init pop-up buttons. Yeah, that's it. So we don't use buttons in our... We don't need to use buttons in our this pop-up frame. Okay, let's maybe just because we have not a lot of parameters here, I think we make self dot what, and we just create pop-up frame. Pop-up frame equals to GUI. Where is our let's just take our data here. Not the data, okay, not the data. Hello Profan, how are you? You used OP for this module, creates viewer. Hello bro, well, good to see you bro. I'm good bro, but still a little sick. Sickness starts again, so I don't know. But I feel not too bad, so yeah bro, thanks for asking. And welcome, of course. You used OP for this module. Yes, of course. For this module, creates viewer, because I have creates viewer, I have survivors viewer, I have monsters viewer. It's like we need we can easily separate this by different subclasses. So yeah, of course, OP is here. Can I see the game? Now here's only the lobby, so there's nothing to see, but here's a pinned message in the chat. Here's a 4 minutes video about this game. If you want, you can watch. But in general, this is game like hide and seek with random abilities for survivors. Sup souls, hello, long time no see bro. So guys, and don't forget, next Friday I'll make a live where I play your games, my boys, and maybe I give you feedback like a player, like default player. Like I'll try to maybe give you some feedback, and of course, if I'll have that, if I have that, maybe I give you some tips, like how I would improve your game if I were you. And of course, this is my own opinion, and just maybe it helps some of you. So prepare your games, my boys. Next Friday we'll be live with your games. So so let's go. Just take a variable like from here, pop-up frame. Let's let's take it here, self pop-up frame, and just replace pop-up frame, yeah, like so, by more. Pop-up frame, yeah, like this, I think. Ground, yeah, like this. So we have self pop-up frame, and we just can replace that. We need the buttons, of course, here. Buttons, pop-up more, pop-up frame by more, I think, right? And model window, I think we don't need it at all, really, because in a certain method, because we use this one. And let's try, maybe all should work already. Buy more, yeah, that's work, what if I, oh yeah, we need to hide this background because it covers the whole our screen, and it prevents to press the buttons, of course. So let's copy this. We need to make it visible true also here, and when we close like cancel visible to false. Let's copy this. Buy, after the buy also we need to do that, of course. Let's do like so. Okay, maybe remote will be last. Sell activated also the same thing, cancel also the same thing. Let's do that, let's check if all works or not. So now buttons work. Let's press this, buy more. I can buy, okay, let's sell. Okay, it's covered. it's covered by background. How much Robux are you going to use to sponsor the game? 0, bro. 0. This is challenge, bro. This is challenge. If it's possible to make this game absolutely with no money, if it's possible, it'll be motivation for all of you guys, for a lot of you who have doubts, like, oh, I don't have money, I don't have powerful computer, guys. But I'm not sure. Of course, probably I'll buy advertisement if it's not possible to me. But if it's possible, guys, I'll try to do my best to prove it's possible to make the game with no money, with your own power, and absolutely for free. Make successful game and without spending money. So of course, probably I reinvest the money which I take from during this journey, but this is like earned money. I can reinvest to grow it more, of course. But at the beginning, I'll try to do with only my power, all of that. And if it's possible, I'll share I'll share how I did that, all of that way. So what's the problem? Okay, why I can why I can't press that? Maybe I forget. So, okay, let's check maybe the index or something like so. There is a problem with that. The index 2. Okay. Okay, let's see what's the problem with this one. So here's all right? Yeah, but with cell, something bad. Let's check. Inventory frame, viewer. Oh, okay, this one probably visible. Okay, so that's problem with this one. And oh yeah, my boys, what the hell? Why I call the same thing? Why I call the old thing? I think I know, guys. Because I didn't change that. Yes, we need to change here. Self pop-up frame, yeah, like so. Yes, my bad. And now let's go here, all should work. Maximum, okay. We saw that, right. Buy more. Okay, great. Also, we need to, when we initialize our crates and this, let's set default parameters for all of that, because like we don't have default parameters. Hello Noel, welcome bro, welcome to the stream. So okay, but pop up by more. We need to go text box dot text equals to 0, and here is also the same thing we should to make. Also, let's go here. Where is our cost frame? Pop up visible true. Pop up dot cost frame dot amount dot text equals to 0. Like this is default values, and here is also, let's try now. Let's go here, buy more, 0, 0, nice. And now when we start, okay, buy, we can buy anything here. Okay, max, we need to put maximum. Okay guys, I'm gonna eat and I'll be here in 20 minutes, my boys. So like this. I'm back, my boys. Sure. So, let's go. So. Okay, so we need to connect our buttons, right? Are we already connected? Let's check. I forget what we did right now. Okay, this works. Okay. Max button. Max button doesn't work. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Okay, max button. Whereas we initialize that. I need to check. Initialize max button. I don't need model window here. Self update date. So what's the problems? Buy more buttons. Buy more activated. Let's go. Let's go. Buy more max. And why it doesn't put here? Oh yeah, I know what's the problem, guys. I know what's the problem, of course. Because we need to call self pop up frame. Yes. Text box variable not right for us. Let's copy that, put it here. Pop up frame. Copy. Professor Pencil Top, Dustin and Miss just Dixon's on the line. Hello, thank you. So let's change our variable for all of that, like this one, buy more text box, and here's for our sell. We also need to change the text box to sell more. Sell more text box. So let's go. Buy more max. Let's go. We can buy, right? Sell max. Okay. Now buy more. Okay. Great, my boys. So one thing which really I don't like, when we have 0 crates, we need to remove our item, right? Of course, right. So, but the problem with that, okay, wait, I want to check one thing. Can we buy that by using... Okay, let's okay, maybe we do... Okay, yeah, guys, better we'll do that after when we make our shop, because now it's pretty hard to test that. Or wait, this is the last step, I think, in this point, at this point, and maybe we can even do that. Yes. Okay, we have some crates. So what's the reason? How we do all of that? When we sell crate, we send this event and go here, go in our services, create system, or inventory system, re-inventory, I think. Let's go. So inventory system, sell crate, self data, and render items, right? What about render items or show? Oh, we make it not here. We make it definitely not here. We need to go to create stop, and let's go here. Render items. What about survivor tab? Yeah, I think guys, we need to clear our tab. If child is self item container, get children do. Self items container. What is items container? A print. Create template. Create template. Survivor template. So what's the problem if we have 0? Wait, I think maybe that's the problem with our data. I think, yeah, let's go in infrastructure, data controller, and I think I have I think I know what's the problem can be here. Wait, we we can easily check that when we update our data, what the data we have. Let's go here, print data. So for example, I'm gonna to crates and I wanna sell all of that, right? Maximum, let's go. I wanna check inventory, right? Survivor crates. Yes, that's the problem. We anyway have crates, but there's 0. Instead of 0, we need to put nil. And I think I know what's the problem with this thing. Sell crate. Sell crate. This is about this. If data inventory type minus amount less or equals to 0, then we put it to nil. Else we do this stuff. That's the problem, why it looks like so for us now. So now let's buy some crates. Let's go here, buy more, maximum, and buy. Now we should sell that, maximum, sell. Disappears, crate, but there's error. Okay. New item, create config. Okay, if not new item, then return end. Maybe not return end. Maybe we need to clear output, I think. Yeah, we need to clear output. So that doesn't fit here. So how we can clear output? So if not new item, then we need to call the method which clear output. Okay, what if we put this method clear not here? We put it at the beginning of this method. So we clean all of that, and if there is no item, we just return and do nothing with that. Okay, so we need to go. I wanna connect our buy. Okay, guys. Okay, let's make it later, because it's pretty hard to set up all of that like a couple of times, because we don't have a shop. Let's first make a shop, and after that we'll go here again and fix like these little problems. This is already little problems. So now finally let's start to make shop system. Shop system. Let's copy all these layers. Domain, let's delete. Infrastructure. Okay, configs. Okay, configs probably we don't need. Okay, like so. And here's create service will be okay. Not there is not. Let's shop service. Shop service. Let's do that. Oh, it's really shop service. Okay, let's probably take it from inventory system better. Shop service. Let's delete that, and we just need to remake all of that. Let's delete all of this. Let's delete all of this, I think, and we can delete all of this. Inventory service. This is shop service. Instead of inventory service, we put everything shop service, because this is new application layer. So let's let's go what we need here, like data controller dot new. What is data controller? Yeah, and data. Probably we need the same thing here. Data controller and data. Yeah, like this. Sorry, guys. So, what about data controller? We need okay, let's make some variables here. Local shop system, right? Shop system script parent and let's create some layers. Local domain layer, infrastructure, presentation. Okay, local Okay, let's just copy domain layer, but here's shop system. Let's create next infrastructure layer. Here is also shop system and infrastructure, and create the last one, presentation layer. What's up, homie? What's up, homie? Welcome, bro. Presentation layer. We have 3 layers now, variables, and we easily can get, for example, we'll have, where is it? Data controller. Let's do like this one, and data controller will be placed, of course, in the infrastructure layer, like this one. What the hell is here, by the way? What the hell? Domain inventory. What? Why I did like so, I don't know. Domain layer. We can do like this. Domain layer and this data controller in the infrastructure. This is more organized. Infrastructure, server remote, data controller. We can replace all of that like this. Okay, data controller, infrastructure. Okay, so shop system. Go to our infrastructure. Okay, no. In shop system, infrastructure, and let's create a script. Let's copy this script, I think, from here. Why not? And just put here data controller. Of course, we change. Okay, wait. Update currency, open crate, equip survivor, self survivor. Probably equip survivor, self survivor. We don't need it here because this method only for our inventory. Sell selected survivors. Also probably. So there's only 4 crates for buying and selling crates. This is the main purpose of that. And of course, we can open the crates right here by using our crate service and change our data. Maybe it will be like so. Okay. Yeah, this model looks like it doesn't. It's not connected to our inventory system, and that's right. That's right. Okay, shop service. So we can get the data, right? Data controller.new. We created here as a data main controller, get data main controller, require from server script service. That's cool. So now we have in our shop service data. What's the data we need? Of course, we need a currency. We need yeah, when we open the crate, we also need amount. How much we have. I don't know. Maybe we'll just do you can't open the crates. You can't open the crates inside the shop. I don't know. Need to think about this. So, or okay, I'll allow to open the crates in shop. Why not? This is maybe for like people buy, and right here they can open this crate. But why I thinking about this? Maybe not, maybe yes, because we see the loot in inventory. But anyway, there will be animations where you see what the item you'll get. So probably that's not matter. We can open in inventory, you can open in shop. Why not? Okay, data controller. So we need what? We need some domain layer. domain will be domain domain shop. Let's go domain shop. Domain shop. Let's rename that. And create type can open create. Yeah, we absolutely can do the same here. And can open create, so we just compare for create things for create. And maybe we just compare how much money player has here. Or not. Okay, how we did that in our inventory system? Let's check where we check all of that thing. Probably in data controller, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. We do all of that in data controller. Good that or not? Not the best approach is that, because probably we can do all of that in our domain, but that's no matter. This is just like organizing code only. Okay, let's leave it like so, and right now let's make all checks in our data controller. Later it's not hard to change that if I have some problems with that, but that's not a problem. So just create type, we get can open create, and can open create. So by the way, we can really copy a lot of stuff from here. We can really copy that. Also, what we can take from our inventory system, of course, remote controllers. This is definitely what we need here. I think we'll need it everywhere. Remote controllers, local remotes, remote factory, and server remotes. What about local remotes? We can definitely remove here all with survivors, sell survivor and equip. Yes, we don't need that. Cell selected. No, we don't have that. Buy crate, sell crate, open crate. Like only couple. Inventory infrastructure. Okay, what is inventories? This is shop system. Okay, so there's our local remotes, and here's let's open crate. We don't need buy. Oh yeah, open crate we need, buy crate, equip survivor. Don't need, sell survivor. No, sell selected survivor. Get data. Definitely we need, I think, or not. We'll see it later, but I'm not sure about that. So now go to server remotes. Also we need to remove some things from here. Open crate, equip survivor. Definitely we need to remove that. Sell survivor also remove. Sell selected, like we made it before. Buy crate, sell crate, get data. Okay, why not? So infrastructure layer, not inventory. Shop system. Okay. Of course, we need to initialize that, of course. So we initialize all of that in our local script, where we do that. Inventory tab controller. Self game manager player services inventory service. I think, oh yeah, probably in game manager we initialize all of that. Let's go in our game manager. Yes, we need to call it here inventory service. Let's create shop service, of course. We need to initialize all shop service. Shop. What is inventory application layer? Application layer. Okay, that's very long. Okay, just inventory service. Inventory. What is inventory system? Yeah, probably it's okay. Probably it's okay. Okay, let's do shop system. Let's make also like this one. Inventory system. Okay, let's copy all of that, right? But this will be not inventory. Shop system. Shop. Shop remote factory. This is inventory server remote factory. This is inventory remote factory. So shop remote factory. Okay, like this chest. But here's shop server remote init itself. Okay. Inventory service. Then shop service. Shop service dot new. Nice. So now we have shop service in our game manager, and we just can call that, right? Right. And instead of inventory here, we need to call shop. Not like so. Okay. Shop. Shop get data. Okay. So instead of inventory service, we need to get here what? We need to get here, of course, our shop service. Game manager inventory service shop service. Like this shop service. Inventory. Oh yeah. Services. Shop system. Okay, great. Server remotes we get. So, okay. We need to create things where we just place our items like crates, like special offers, and separate by different subclasses like daily deals and some other stuff. First, what I want to see, I want to see first shop frame, how it looks like. It looks, oh what the hell, how it looks like. I don't like how it looks like. So let's better take. I know how we make that. Let's better make these best deals, create skins. Let's take these category buttons. Let's duplicate our inventory frame and call it shop frame. Shop frame. Make it visible. And here we put our... Let's remove these buttons from here. Best deals. This is the first one. Best deals. Size. Size 1, yeah. Okay, best deals button. Best deals, rates, coins, and skins. Skins, coins, rates, and all of that will name like button. Like so. So great. And size of course, yeah, forget about that. Size equals to 1, and that's it. Visible to true, like this. Okay, for skins, yeah, there is a problem with skins. That's no matter. Skins will be later. That's no matter. Okay, and layout order, of course. Hi, hello. Okay, best deals should be 1. Crate should be 2. Coins should be 3. Skins 4. Why are they so far? Why are they so far here? Cool game. Thank you, bro. Thank you very much. Oh, maybe I know what's the problem with this one. Because of all of that, I think. Yeah, looks like so. And the constraint. Oh yeah, and position probably. Position 0. What is this game about? This is like hide and seek, but with random abilities for survivors each level. Here's 4 minutes video in pinned message in the chat. If you want, you can watch about this game. Here's I explain everything. So let's put position to 0. Wait. Need to check a shop. Oh, we made it in the shop. This is items frame. This is category buttons. And what a button? Oh, 0.5. Yeah, I've got it. What's the problem with that? I've got it, guys. 0.5 and anchor point also should be the same, because we need to animate it. Make animations for these buttons starts from the middle when we hover our mouse. So also let's see what we have inside this shop frame. Let's put in assets alt, copy of that. Let's see what we have. What's the difference between our old shop frame? Okay, category buttons, button stop. What is button stop? I wanna see. Shop frame. Buttons. Oh, okay, so we don't have category buttons at all. And oh, this is definitely the same. Like, why not? So let's just remove. Oh, I know what's the difference, guys. I know what's the difference. The index 100. We moved, we changed this. Yeah, I know. So we need to remove from shop frame filter buttons, because this is only for inventory, right? Right. Category buttons we need to put up here, and probably wait. I'm gonna have to wait for it to come out. So sounds like an awesome game. Thank you very much, my friend. I really appreciate that. Thank you, bro. Oh wait, probably I forget. No, I put constraints. Okay, button stop and category buttons 0 and button stop 0. I want to see where we have these buttons. Like this, I think. Okay, now like this we have. And what about items? What about items? We can increase the size of our... Okay, let's make background transparency 0.5. And items should be here. Like here. And here. I think like here. Right, right. Wait, I wanna see how it looks in our inventory. I'm really interested about that. Transparency, okay, 0. Category buttons, 0. Okay, this is not, they're not equal. Okay, I've got it. That's okay. Okay, that's okay. So we just can hold it here. Pages. And yes. So we need, of course, okay, no. We have a template here, but we need to probably make it bigger, I think. Let's see how our items in our shop frames looks like. Shop frame. This is shop frame, we close. Okay, items, templates. Create template, for example. Let's put it here, make it visible. And I wanna make it bigger, I think. Maybe I wanna make it like 3. Things we can put in the one page, like so. Oh, wait. 37, I don't know. Maybe 40. 42, that's a lot. 41. There's a lot of space down here if I make like so. wait, maybe I don't want to that it looks like so. Yeah, best deals will be absolutely different. Like coins and crates, yeah, but this page I wanna make really absolutely different. Yes. Like I'll show you how I see this. I have some plan about this. Anyway, there's a lot of space. If I sell crates like so, for example, maybe 4 on the page only. 4, maybe that's a lot anyway. Like 0.5. What about this? There's a lot of space here, but we can make these templates different. Really, we can make them different. Like so, maybe. So size 1, this is 0.5. Okay, let's start with only one thing. Somewhere we have... wait, we don't have a constraint here, what the hell? How we hold the size of that? I'm interested, really. Really? Oh, I know, guys, how I hold the size because of that. Yeah. Okay, nice. Yes, that's it. Size 0.5. And here is XY. Yeah, like so. Nice. What about this? Vertical? Horizontal? No, should be right. Size 0.5. Dot 49. Yeah, like so, I think. So we can create like 4. Yeah, I wanna make a big template here, like the people see the... Because there's not a lot of items will be here, and I don't see any purposes why we need to make it not big. Because in inventory, yeah, you can have a lot of items, but here we can do like so, and this will be better, definitely. For crates, for coins, about best deals, one thing here. Survivor template, crate template. Okay, crate template. This will be this one. Crate template. Let's save that. Let's now delete that, and I wanna make the folder like best deals. Best deals, like small template will be small template, and like too small to... What a size, what the hell. 49, yeah, like so. And these ones also 49. But I wanna make a big also template. Will size will be 1 by using X, and like so. Or maybe wait, maybe we can do it even better. Maybe small templates we make like 0.29. This is big template. Small template. Yeah, like so. What about small template? Maybe something like so. Maybe something like so, really. So 4 best deals we'll have in a day. Because yeah, 3, that's really not a lot. That's really not a lot. Or wait. Maybe not. We can make like so, yeah. But we can switch like it's automatically switch between the best deals in a day, and this will be, of course, this all will be limited versions. This is big template. Big template. Need to make templates for that, because this is absolutely stretched and this is awful. Absolutely. Okay, we've already made that, right? I always lost in my... I know how we separate that. Abilities. Additional hurt. Charging jump. Flashbang, jump bro, heal, health regen. Regen. Jump power. Multi-jump. Grenade. Second life. Dub stun trap. Yeah, because this is really hard to find something here. W, thank you very much. Okay, what is arrow right, arrow start, coin, shop GUI, yeah, shop GUI, let's go. Shop GUI. Shop GUI. We need templates. This is not inside our viewer, this is inside our items. Oh yeah, that's it. Item template. So this we should make a little like wider, and this absolutely like okay, why I do like so, guys? Of course we need a reference, like a size. Let's do better like so. I think better if we create one more new file, make like so, and save it. Photoshop. This will be shop templates. Shop templates, yeah, that's better. Because there is a lot of stuff already, and it's pretty hard to handle all of that. Item template, let's just copy that and put it here. So let's see if we have rectangle here. Yeah, that's it. We can close that. No, we cannot to so item template. Let's do this. Let's match the size of that like this, I think. Let's go to do this and this, like this, right? Then duplicate, of course, convert to smart object and apply these effects. Oh wait, no, my bad. What the hell? Duplicate, right? Right. Convert to smart object. Now apply these effects. Okay, right. Let's see what we have. Yeah, but we need to, of course, change the angle for our shadows, because they're not proper. Maybe like so, I think. Okay, let's turn it off. It'll be better if we see it right here. Yeah, like this, I think. Let's see how it looks like with all of that. Like this. Yeah, better, definitely better. So this is like small template we have, right? Right. I don't need it. Okay. Small. Let's duplicate that and let's make a big. Let's make a big here. Like this, I think. Oh wait, no. Shouldn't be like so. We need to turn off auto select, of course, first, before we do that, or it will be broken. Okay, so let's go here. Let's choose this one, select this one, and make it bigger, like so. Even like so, I think. And now we duplicate that. There is a bug probably or something like so. Convert to smart object and apply all these filter effects. Let's see. So yeah, we have two things. like this will be. Yeah, I like that. I like that, how it looks. And probably we need to make buttons for this one, I think. Or maybe not, maybe we just... I know, like, first page... First page will be this one. And later... Or maybe best deals we have only one page. Yeah, probably we have only one page. This will be better. This will be better. W, stay on the green. Thank you, bro. Thank you very much. Okay, let's export what we made right now. Trim, transparent pixels, and export that. Let's create a folder which called shop system. Here is create a folder shop. Okay, best deals templates. This is small template. Let's do like so. Big image trim, and export this one already. This is small template, this is big template. Big template. Of course, I'll add some effects a bit later, like light or something like so, maybe coins at the behind. Good luck on your journey, man. Thank you very much, my friend, for your heartwarming words. Thank you, bro. Let's explore that in Roblox. Why not, my boys? We need image. Let's pick our image. Let's go. Where is our shop system? Best deals. This is big template. And let's go see that. Oh yeah, that's amazing. Of course, I need to fix these corners. This is not a big deal. We'll make it right now. And let's just put two small templates here. Oh yeah, that's better. And of course we need to remove this one. Okay, let's start with this one first. So what's the problem with this one? Because we have canvas group not proper size. Like if we do like so, it'll be better. But anyway, it looks maybe not so deep. I think we need to increase. Yeah, definitely we need to increase the size of shadows. Yes, I feel like there's not enough. Oh no, this is not this one. Yeah, like this 9 I think will be better, because I don't feel the power of that shadow. What the hell? I wanna... This is like... Really? We don't have like... I don't feel the volume of that. I wanna feel the volume. And let's export it again and let's see if it's better or not. Oh no, wait. Trim first, of course. Stream image, export PNG. I don't know, maybe we need to make it bigger and shadow smaller. Yes, let's make that. Let's make that, guys. Let's decrease the size of the additional shadows. Like this one. This is really like 11, I think. Or even 10 maybe. Yeah, like a little effect. And about small one, let's do the same. Because really, that's a lot. We decrease the size because of that. Like our picture is compressed because of that. Because some size takes with shadows. So, and let's export and let's see, maybe it's better. I hope it's better. I feel that it's already better, definitely. Image like this. Yeah, definitely better, but at the same time, guys, I would make it bigger. Oh wait, no, wait. First, of course, before all of that, we need to see how small ones looks like, because I also changed them. And of course, we need to see like the whole picture of that. Oh, wait. Trim, of course. And after that, let's export. And that's it. Oh. Oh. So my boys. Let's go export these small templates here. Anyway, it takes a lot of space. Maybe really just make it almost without shadows. I don't know, let's try. Big, because it's really takes a lot of space. Maybe we even don't see the difference really, but I would increase maybe anyway this size more. Okay, no, okay, like so. And maybe one more thing anyway I would do. There's a lot of space down here. We have really free space which we don't use. I think we need to increase the size of that anyway. Maybe like this, Let's duplicate that, convert to smart object. This is big. What about small? Let's go. Okay, yeah, this is definitely better size. What about big? The same thing. Maybe we even don't notice the difference with shadows or without shadow. So maybe really this is not necessary for that thing. But we'll see, of course. If it'll be bad, I'll change that, of course. So, my boys, let's change this one. This is small templates. Yeah. Okay. Okay. What about big? What about big? What? It really looks like so? I don't think so. Maybe I'm not... Wait, I didn't export that. File, export. Big template. Let's do again. Oh yeah, now it's better. Yeah, I think that's it. No, I don't want to change the size of that. No, I don't want that. I want to change the size of that. Yes. Direct. Okay. Horizontal alignment center. Oh no. That's not it. Okay, what about small? I wanna check. So I wanna see something like this, right? No, I don't want to see like this. Let's change that. Let's see how I wanna see that. Okay, let's start again. Let's turn it on. What about this rectangle? Okay. What if I make one more? Okay. Yeah, probably this one will be better. Duplicate that. Turn it off. Convert to smart object. And this one. Let's go. So we have a template I want to see. Okay. We have a one template. Let's copy small and place it here. Like this, for example, right? Right. So we have two templates. They should be close like so. And after that, I need to make big one. Again, let's increase the size of that, like so, I think. And maybe let's move down here this one, right? Right. Okay, now let's duplicate this one, convert to smart object, and put drop shadow for that. And let's delete that. Let's see now. Okay. but I'm not sure, maybe it's a little close to each other. That's why we probably need to add a little drop shadow also here. Like really little. A couple of pixels. It's really, it feels a little flat. Like this, I think. And let's go in our small and put the same effect. Okay, wait. Yeah, I see what's the problem also we have. Let's delete small this. And I'm about this. I'm about this. Let's move it down here. Yes. Duplicate. Convert to smart object. Like there's a lot of space if we don't do that. What about this? Yeah, that's better. That's much better. Yeah, we can even export that. Yeah, let's try it. Trim, transparent pixels, and export that. Export. This is a small template. What about big template? Trim like this. Big template, let's go here. Okay, my boys. So let's go to export that into Roblox image. Big template. Okay. And small template, let's upload also. Okay, I know what's the problem also we have with all of that, why it's hard to see, because we need to turn off canvas group, at least for now, to see just layout. Yeah, like so, great. Because it's pretty hard when you have a lot of elements to see if it's good or not. So, about this. Size 1, position not the same for everything. What? 0.5. Oh yeah, what the hell is that? Oh, that's the problem also. That's why it felt so weird a little bit. Okay, size. One. What about this? 0.5. Yeah, that's better. Maybe that's it. Yeah, looks like what I want to achieve. Pretty close to that. But anyway, it looks a little weird. What the hell? I don't understand why 0.5 don't allow us to put 2, because it's should be like so, like we put 2 in a row, because maybe we have oh yeah, I know guys, I know why is it so. Yes, because of that. Size 3.5. Yeah, like this. Maybe we can even increase the size of that, or even this, I don't know. Oh yeah, now it's what I wanted to achieve. Yeah, like so. Okay, inside a big template, let's make visible that, and how will it be? How will it be? Probably there is also will be a models like yeah, I think yes also. Okay, let's make that. Let's make proper size for that. Like this. And this, I think. We don't need a rarity, definitely. Don't need at all here. So, here will be our name. Text. For example, like so. Viewport frame, we move, I think, in this corner, maybe. This will be, what about light? Light maybe also will be different. Which color? Like yellow or orange. Like this maybe. Okay. Also we can make effects later, because I don't know how exactly we'll see will look like our crates. When I make models in the Blender, we'll put it here and change this effect. Okay, now will be just white. I have a question. What a question? And here's okay, light effects so big. How do you hide your UI once you mid your work or something else? What? Once like hide this when I finish working with that? Like hello guys, just make it visible to false. Here's a parameter visible. Yo, welcome guys. Said hi, hello. Just a lot of GUI objects like all GUI objects have property visible. You just can uncheck it, for example, like this, and it's hidden, bro. And this is how I call that. For example, I need to show to my player. For example, if player presses the button, for example, like so. This is beginning state. Player presses button, open this frame, and you just after player pressing the button, change parameter visible to true, and that's it. And you can do with any GUI objects like frame, like buttons, and so on. This is all GUI objects. Okay. So this will be big template for all of that. This will be okay. Ninja crate. Will be the price, for example. I don't know. Like let's make it bigger, maybe. And timer also will need that. Game looks so good, bro. Good luck for the game. Thank you very much, my bro. Thank you for wishes. Okay, text. For example, coins. For example, 2,000 coins. Like 30, maybe, or maybe 40. Yeah, like so. We need like big one, really big one. 2,000 coins, for example, will be this. Maybe text alignment X will be center better to control this easily. Coins 2,000, or maybe. And also we need a timer, of course. Timer. Let's timer. Like so. Maybe alignment here will make right, and it will be like in this corner, and maybe like so, or maybe 20 plus 5. No, I know how we make it better. We need to show what is discount, of course. This is cost. This is discount. So discount will be this one. So 20, for example, creates cost 4,000 coins, and let's make here the frame. Anchor point 0.5, position 0.5, size 0.2, but X will be like 1.5. No, that's a lot. 1.2. 1.2, I think, or maybe 1.1. And size here, 0.5. Color red. And of course guys, rotation, like, oh, that's a lot, like, okay, maybe even 10. Okay, 5 degrees I think will be better, and let's make it not so thin. The 0.1 will be better. Yes, that's good, but it's pixelated because it's very small, I think. Let's check it. Because of rotation. Or maybe it's even good because this is like a feature, like it looks like hand-drawn line. Maybe that's even like the. I like that. I really like that, how it looks like. And maybe we can try to make two these lines, but rotation for this one will be -5. No, that's a lot, that's a lot, that's really a lot. Cross line. So instead of and I would place it a little down anyway, a little down, like 0.6, no, or 55, yeah, like this. Yeah, that's perfect, I think. So it will be, for example, discount color text color. Maybe gray, maybe gray. And this one should be like color of our coins. Let's pick this color. So what's your opinion, guys? Maybe some details you wanna add here, or that's okay? Maybe... wait. Yeah, I wanna increase the thickness for that. Yeah, that's better. I like it more because we have here's bigger font size. That's better. Cross line. What if we make it semi-transparent? Maybe. No. Maybe rotation really smaller, like 2 even. I know one more thing we can do that here. Yeah, like this. We make it smaller. We make it smaller. Like this. Okay, what if we add one more light? But this light will be different. Like this. And let's change the color of that light. Oh yeah. Probably green, yeah, better. No, green, I think the best in this case. Green light. The index 2. I want to change cost to 3. Yeah, that's better, I think. Hyperfun, what do you use to make GUI? I use Photoshop, bro. But before I only used Roblox Studio. For now I use Photoshop, but also I used Photopea. A lot of guys told me like Figma, it's free also, like Photopea. Figma, a lot of guys told me like it's a good program for making UI and it's free. But I use Photoshop because I worked here a lot and I used to use that. That's why I use that. So that's it. Before I made everything in Roblox Studio, but I realized like definitely I'm not. It's better if I, for example, these shadows on the borders, these strokes, I can make one frame. This is just the single image, like all this background. Instead of making the frame with UI stroke and then background frame, black frame, like to make this like shadow imitation or volume imitation. And I decided to make it in one single picture, that's why. But before I do everything in Roblox Studio, like the whole UI. Like combine them together. It's possible, but there's a lot of elements after that. And I'm really tired of like making paths for my variables like very long. Okay. Okay. So let's just, for example, let's change the timer size. Maybe 30. Yeah, 30 I think will be better. In here, and maybe color. Oh no, text color. Text color 3. Yeah, like so. Like so. Okay, of course, this is not the final result because we need to see when we have crates here. Or wait, what the hell? No, we need to do it now. Because definitely, just of course, instead of crates, I just place right now part, just default part, base part, and we just set it up for all of that. Why not? So let's go just do that. It's site world model. Let's go and replicate a storage. Items, models, crates. For example, ninja crate. Let's copy that. Put in site world model and wait, how we? So I move model. Oh yeah, I've got it. What's the difference? Okay, let's do that like this. What about rotation? Yeah, also rotation, orientation. Yeah, we have that. And I think we oh yeah, what the hell? Oh yeah, let's go. What the hell? Let's put it down here. Oh no. Why? That's a lot. It's really a lot. I wanna rotate it more. -5, for example. Okay, 15. Okay, we can make it so we can put put it closer, I think. Put it closer. How to put it closer? By using this, I think. 20. Oh yeah. Yeah. That's a lot anyway. 19. And this one. Okay, yeah. 20. Anyway. And a little upper, I think. Oh no. .7 maybe. Okay, just for example, will be like so. So. Okay. Okay, I wanna make a light which will be without. Yeah. Let's make this light which will be not on the whole screen. So because I trim a lot. How I can make that. Oh yeah, let's forget how to make that. Okay, let's trim. Okay, export. Light effect. Full. I wanna change this and this. Because I really don't like how it looks like. Like effect full. Yeah, great. That's better. So we don't clip that. Size we can increase 0.6. 6. Oh, wait, anchor point first, of course. 0.5. 0.5. Okay, and okay, we can even move it a little down here. URI we don't need. What does sphere show? Wait, what is viewer eye? Okay, later. Okay, size. Let's add a constraint. One 1.5. Maybe something like this. And I would make it. Okay, I know what's. I think in this, on this button, we always have like the best deals. And for this I would make like really colors like so, like it's super the best. Maybe red better really, but not this one, like dark red, very dark. Okay, or epic. Be epic like so. Maybe legendary one. Anyway, they looks a little weird. What about green? Maybe green, by the way, maybe green. But we need to really make it dark. So dark. Or just put it on the gray. Gray background is boring, really, it's boring, absolutely. Okay, we can make that like this, and maybe this color we need to make like this. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, definitely better. And let's make this bigger anyway. Cost, I wanna see it bigger, like this one. Okay, what? Why we don't make it green light inside our cost? 0.5 size, like 1. Two, 3, and it will be the index. Can I? Here. Okay, I can't. Yeah, I can do like so. Okay. Okay, let's make it different. Let's create a frame, which will be cost Yes. Size 0.3. And we put here cost and green light together. 0.5 for everything. Anchor point 0.5. And this also. Size 1 just. The index. Okay, this is on top. Okay, this is 0, this is 1. That's enough. And let's increase. This is green light size to, I don't know, maybe 2 and 2, like this. And transparency 1. Can we have some GUI effects, by the way? Maybe it'll be blinking, by the way. It'll be better, really. And this discount, need to put upper here. I think like so. No, down here. Maybe even bigger, we can do that. Like so. Why not? Why not? Maybe 50. Yeah, like big one. Like really. And so we probably need to increase more thickness. Like so, I think. So, okay. Of course, all this would change. Oh no, I think maybe it's always will be this color, because this is the best offer for every day. Maybe, yeah, maybe, or week. Like the best. This is additional, but this will be like the best one always. And maybe we need to make color different. Maybe, what about red? What about red, by the way? Because maybe red will be better. I wanna take the colors from our config better. Red colors. Background for secret. Let's take that. Where is it? Secret like this, and just red, okay. Maybe. Or maybe purple better, anyway. Okay, what if this will be black color? No, black color really not the same. Okay. Okay, maybe we need to increase the size of our light. Maybe. If so, yes. That's a lot. Oh, anchor point is not set here. Okay, 0.5. Size. Let's see how it was before. Or all of that. It's definitely better. No, okay. It's definitely better, but I'm not sure about the color. Maybe really color. Purple will be better. Okay, let's try epic. Let's take this one. Let's set proper colors like we made before. This and this. Oh no, that's not it. Yeah, that's it. Difficult. Maybe because I know what's the problem. I know what's the problem. Maybe because this looks green, and yeah, which it shouldn't be green, just that. Any tips on making games in Roblox? I made some kind of pet simulator game a month ago or so with a lot of help with AI. I lost the motivation and the energy and just let it be how it's now. Yes bro, I know this feeling because about my first game I felt the same. I completely burnt out about my first game, except I didn't use AI for that. But the main problem, bro, why you lose motivation usually, because and also that was for me, because we started very big projects. This is very important. So this is definitely common problem for everyone. Like you need to make your game smaller, definitely, because if it takes a couple of years, you definitely burn out. I felt it on my own because I have 1 year, bro. Motivation 1 year I had, and after 1 year I completely burnt out, and so even with like it's impossible to avoid that. And for me, I realized that okay, if I burnt out after a year, so it means I need to make a game less than a year, and it will be better like half of year, for example, or maybe a little bit more or less. And this is only the way because when we see the big task, and when I realized like so after 1.5 years I realized like in my first game I need like 2 more years, maybe I need to add events, I need to make game passes, new, this is was tower defense, new towers, new mobs, new mods, new maps, and this is really this is really like when you think about this, and this is really so I lose motivation because I thought about that, and really one way how I think me and you we can avoid that and makes projects smaller. So this is probably one way. And I heard this from on YouTube. A lot of developers told also about that. So like games should be making faster. Like couple of months, this is the best if you can do that. So yeah, bro. About AI, that's okay, bro. If it's helpful to you, why not to do that? But if you don't have any skills, it'll be pretty hard to understand when there will be error, some bugs, errors, or something like so. If you have skills, bro, yeah, of course. I suggest you not overuse that, because you lose your skills by using that. But if you use it properly, like helping when you really can't find info by using any ways, so why not? This is my point, of course. I don't judge you, I don't judge anyone like, oh, you use AI, you're not true developer. No, bro. No one cares how you made your game. If your game is interesting and without bugs and cool, it's really interesting to play, bro. No one cares. Like 99% of your audience will not care about, oh, this guy is made this game by using AI or on his own, bro. No, definitely no. So don't worry if you worry about that. I don't know, because you're right about that for some reason. So you can use really to maybe increase your speed if it's comfortable to you. But for example, me, I love coding, and I sometimes I use AI, but when task really hard and I can't solve it on my own for a very long time, yes, why not to use? Why not to use instead of sitting like 1 month and wait and looking for a solution everywhere, documentation and some other resources. So bro, about losing motivation, it's pretty hard, bro. It's pretty hard for everyone. This is not about only Roblox. And you lost everywhere motivation. Motivation, bro, this is it's always endless, bro. It's always endless. You need to try to focus on like a discipline. Yes. But at the same time, you don't need to lose the fun. Like, it shouldn't be for you. You shouldn't struggle with yourself, bro. If you lose fun, you probably can abandon these development games forever. I don't know. This is my point about that. So motivations, bro, endless for everyone. And after you lose that, you just need to just continue doing. This is one way how you can complete projects. And so not only projects, it works everywhere, because not only in Roblox, in the life, bro. This is true. Because I learned a lot. I have three years experience in video editing. I also struggling a lot with myself always, because I lose motivation always. And I realized usually the problem, because I see like a very big task I need to solve, like create a game. And for example, you start with something simple and you add a new things, or maybe I add a new thing, this feature, and then you see your game is really, what the hell, like 5 years you need to develop that. That's a lot. And the main point about all of that, after 5 years of development, bro, no one guarantee that your game will be successful. Absolutely not. Absolutely. And yeah, of course, this is all experience after these 5 years, for example, of developer, or a couple of years. But I realized I made my first project 1.5 year. And when I started making this project, because I changed absolutely direction where I moved, because first was tower defense, this is like hide and seek with abilities for survivors. It's absolutely different type of games, and I grow my skills in these couple of months like 5,000%. This is absolutely incredible, and I think the really best way to develop games and to develop yourself as a developer, this is make small games and fast, like so. But I also struggling with this game now, so. But I'll try to finish it as soon as possible. So that's my point, bro, about this. So maybe you need just some rest. Maybe you really need some rest sometimes. And stop thinking about like, oh, I need to make a game or something like so, because also you need to clear your mind sometimes, bro. If you think about your about this like always this really also force you to feel bad, so be careful with that, bro. So when I recommend you, if you stop, for example, how I work now, I finish a stream where I make something, bro, I forget about this till next day when I start working on it again. I'm not thinking like, oh, I need to create inventory, bro. Just you finish scripting or develop your game, bro. Go to play games, go to walk with friends, I don't know, go to watch YouTube, I don't know, any things, but don't think like, give you a rest, bro. This is very important also, very, very important. So don't underestimate that, because I also underestimate that a lot, and your brain can't refresh if you do like so. If you think about, oh, I need to do this, oh, how to solve that problem, oh, I need to make a game, bro. Finish work for today, forget about this, game, forget about your work. That's it, bro. So okay, let's make these templates, small templates I want to make. This is big template I like. Small template. Thank you, man, that's a lot of information, but really good information. If I lose motivation, I keep pushing. Don't overwork, have time to yourself and stay stress free. Thank you, really. Yes, bro, yes. But one more about keep pushing, bro. That's a good, all you right, that. About keep pushing, bro, really. If you think I work always like 12 hours a day, bro, no. Sometimes I don't want to work, I want to work like after 1 hour, I think like, oh, I'm over for today, I don't want to do that today. And bro, just give you just give you time if you really need that sometimes, and it really also helps. For example, I have live streams so far 5 times a week, like every day, and 2 weekends only. But sometimes, bro, I start the stream, or I even don't start, and I think, oh, for today I don't want to do that, and maybe I make like 1 hour or something like so, and realize like, okay, boys, we'll see tomorrow, like so. So don't force yourself a lot, bro, because really, it's easy to burn out, really easy, very easy. I felt that, and bro, when you burn out, you need a couple of months minimum to out of that. So be careful. Just better you spend more time on your rest right now instead of you spend half of year or 1 year when you do nothing absolutely, because like because you can see on this your tasks what you need to do, or your hobbies. Because I felt the same when I made this is my like 7th or 6th YouTube channel. I felt the same with the YouTube videos. Like I've already told, I had three years of in editing videos. I tried to create a lot of channels, and also I felt the same about video editing. I like to do that, but when you do that every day, it's really like, and I slept like couple of hours a day always, because I edit, and then one day, bro, I just realized that it's so stressful. I feel very stressful, like when I have thoughts about editing video, and I can't do that. And really, that's not the best way, bro. This is not all these hobbies like YouTube, like development, bro. This is long-term work. So you need to see on that like long journey, bro. This is only the way for success. If you want to be successful, bro, like me, we need to slow down. This is very important. I also always try to overwork, and also tried to oh, maybe I need to hurry up because others make it faster than me or something like so, or maybe anyway, we all want to make everything faster, right? And get the results, of course, but this is absolutely wrong. Absolutely. You'll be ahead, bro. You'll be ahead the guys who start, lose motivation, and finish. Maybe they'll be ahead for a short period of time, but you overcome them, bro. Like in a year, you'll be ahead, even if you do slow, because they finish and they have like 1 year rest, or maybe they abandoned their work forever, and you keep grinding, bro. Slowly but grinding. So don't, bro, judge yourself. I really proud of you, bro, because really I glad to see when you guys join to my stream and tell you do something, guys. You don't think about this. You already creators. You creator, bro. You creator. You already change the world. You at least try, bro. This is because a lot of people have doubts. Oh, maybe I need powerful computer. I need the best moment for that, bro. You already had a lot of people. So just keep slowly working, bro, like me. This is only, I completely understand your feelings, bro. I completely understand, because I felt absolutely the same. And now I also, of course, struggling sometimes with that, but I tell me, bro, wait, what the hell? Why you again try to make it faster, make it like when you don't want to make that, when you need a rest, why you need to make that? And I just forget about that, bro. And after a couple of days, or for example, today I want to play games and I don't want to work at all. I go to play games, bro, and after that I feel much better, bro, because I tell myself, like, bro, you can do that. Why not? What bad will be? Nothing, absolutely. Like, bro, couple of days of rest in your life, this is absolutely nothing. Compared to people who just wait, oh, like years. Oh, maybe I need to make a first step. Oh, no. I have this is pretty hard, or maybe I need to buy courses for Roblox. Maybe I need to buy I don't know, powerful computer. Maybe I need to buy camera. My phone now it's overheated from time to time, and its quality absolutely terrifying by default, and just I improved a little bit that. But bro, I just started streaming like so. So that's it, bro. You already had a lot of people, don't forget about that, bro, and I'm proud of you, and you should be proud of you also, bro, because you're creator and you already changed the world, bro. Okay, let's make our small templates. And this is stream series also was created because, guys, to help a lot of you, because I wanna really help you who have doubts, who have some problems, because I developed my game like 1.5 years alone, and I realize it's pretty hard when you know you don't have a people with who you can you can talk about your about your feelings, about yeah, that's okay. Of course, I have friends, for example. Yeah, I have friends who supports me. But guys, this is not the same when you talk with people who understand, who work also, for example, in Roblox, who is Roblox developer. This is absolutely different things, because no one of my friends are Roblox developers, and this stream series I hope helps some of you also. Maybe you can just put it at the background when you develop your games to not feel alone. This is that's why I started all of that. This is one of the reasons, of course. So hope it helps some of you. Okay. Color. Okay, let's make that blue. Let's make uncommon, I think will be this one. Uncommon, well, uncommon, and this one light. This one, yeah, right. Whoa, bro, that was really motivational. Got me smiling behind the screen. You're a great man, you really are. Thank you very much, bro. Thank you. This is, bro, just energy exchange. You motivated me, bro, I motivated you, and this is how it works, bro. And I really happy, and it motivates me more if in couple of I don't know, later you just join again and tell me that, bro, all good, and tell that you have some success, bro. I really will be happy because of that. So thank you too, bro. Thank you too. So, okay, what the hell is... why it's so big? Okay, guys. Okay, my boys, for today I think that's all. We'll continue tomorrow. Yeah, and my boys, of course, don't forget, in next Friday I'll play your games, my boys, and maybe give you some tips if I have, and just the main thing, I just take your feedback like a player, and so prepare your games, my boys. Next Friday I'll wait for you. So we don't script, we just this day on Friday play your games the whole stream. So that's it, my boys. Of course, man, and again I gotta thank you more time. No problem, bro, no problem. So, my boys, thank you all who watched, thank you all who helped, and I had a great time together today, and we'll see tomorrow, my boys. Stay safe, God bless, I'll be seeing you in your next stream. Thank you very much, my friend. So, my boys, thank you for all of that. Bye bye.